My name is Ivy, I'm from Texas, and I am halfway through my 4th year of using 1 second every day. I would be perfect for the unit for 3 main reasons. 1, I absolutely love 1 second every day. 2, I try to live every single day to the fullest and love coming up with creative photo and video ideas along the way. And 3, my absolute passion in life is using video as a means to capture the feelings of life and experiences. Here's why I think those are 3 very important qualities to have in a member of the unit. First of all, loving a company and what they stand for is an incredibly important part of being an ambassador for that company. I absolutely love 1 second every day, and I honestly don't apply for very many brand ambassador positions. If you look on my Instagram page, you'll see I'm working with one small shop, and I really haven't applied for many more because it's very important to me that I am only representing companies that I truly use in my everyday life and am absolutely passionate about using and sharing with others. Beyond that, it's important to me that it isn't just something that I'm really into right now. It needs to be something that I know that I've loved a long time and that I'm going to love long term. 1 second every day definitely covers all of those things for me. I recommend 1 second every day to just about everyone that I talk to. Anyone who will listen to me talk about 1 second every day, I'll be telling them about it. Several of my friends and family use 1 second every day now because I can't stop talking about it, and I'm often the person checking in on how their video is going, making sure that they're going strong, and helping them come up with ideas if they don't know what to put for their 1 second every day videos. I've actually been hoping for the past couple of years that you guys would open up a brand ambassador program, and I've honestly considered sending you guys an email suggesting that as a project. Reason number 2, I am always looking for creative ways to film my 1 second every day clips, even when life isn't the most exciting. I try to travel as often as possible, but in 2020, I really couldn't do a whole lot of that. So I started exploring my hometown as a tourist. I started videoing places that I've been a million times from a new angle. I started taking more walks, catching every sunset, and doing everything that I could to find something in the day that would make me look back and think, wow, I did something with that time. I grew in that time. I didn't lose that time. Now, I started traveling again in April with a trip to Mexico, and now I'm in Sweden. But I haven't lost that creative spirit that I gained this past year. Right now, I'm working on my first bonus mash where I am filming a drone shot every single day for the entire month of June, possibly continuing, and I'm planning on doing several more of these. This has helped me to get extra creative in varying my work in the same locations with the same tools. And that has been really exciting and definitely helped me grow creatively. And finally, my passion is for capturing the feeling of a moment through video creation. I love to do this in many ways, and I'm growing and changing at it every day. If you look at my YouTube channel, you'll see different kinds of vlogs, cinematics, and videos that have developed and grown over the years that capture the bigger moments in life. Over the years of doing this, my equipment and skills have grown and are still growing, but what hasn't changed is the meaning and the spirit behind it. These videos have been like a journal of those big moments, those travels and adventures. I used to keep a daily written journal until one day I realized that I think more in film than I ever did in written word. 1 second of the day matches that perfectly. Now I'm still capturing those big moments and making my video journal through my longer YouTube videos, but I don't lose those small moments because I'm capturing them with my 1 second a day mashes. I believe that these 3 things make me the perfect candidate for the unit. I love 1 second every day. I love finding ways to live in the moment and get creative, and I love to capture the feeling of moments through video creation. And I feel that those 3 things perfectly match 1 second every day and what it stands for. Thank you so much for this opportunity to let you get to know me, and I hope soon I have the opportunity to get to know you.